Lie!
I am a bright blue butterfly. I am made of stinky cheese. I don't need friends. I mean, nobody likes me. Somebody likes me.
We all do. You're our friend.
It's true.
We
I
like you.
and I like you too. I. And when Magic E does his magic on me, then it's time for me to
Shine.
I'm staying alive. I will survive.
And together we'll be
Fine.
I feel fine. This is fun. I like sharing my name. Everybody, let's dance.
We're IGH, we say I.
When I'm with E,
We say I.
and when Magic E does his magic on me, we say I. Yes, you can be my friends. No word of a lie, friends. And with you by my side, we're gonna be flying high.
Rat.
Terrific! Come on, little rat. Dig us out of here. Dig, Ratty, dig.
That's a very, very small hole.
Try again.
Tap.
Tremendous! We can all have a nice cup of tea. No tea? Try again.
Art.
Terrific. Terrific? Better than that. Tip-top! Tally-ho!
Yes! Close your eyes, T.
Ready?
R-E.
Party.
Surprise!
Is it a party?
Better than that.
It's a tea party.
Happy birthday, T.
One, 2, 3, 4. What's he doing?
I don't know.
Hide.
Who are we hiding from?
I don't know.
Hello? Hello? Where is he? As a pair, we can look everywhere.
Big.
What's the fuss?
We're playing hide and seek. Bet you can't find us.
We'll count to 6. 1, 2, 3. Hide. 4, 5, 6.
Eek. Seek.
They've disappeared.
Let's find them.
Coming, ready or not.
Why am I red? I am red. From my toes to my head. I am a
Cat.
meow. I am a cat. Just look at me now. hen. In a
Wig!
In a wig, I am a cat in a wig, and I'm red and I'm big. I am a big red cat in a wig.
Excellent.
I am a big red cat in a wig. I am a big red cat in a wig.
Yes!
I love it! More, Ben, more! I am a
Dog.
I am a dog. I am a
Hen!
I am a hen. I am a
Log!
I am a log. I am a
Pen!
I am a pen. A pen? A pen? Like a pen!
Ben!
Is Ben is
Fab!
what a fabulous pen! I am I, and Ben's a dream. I'll tell you why. We make a really funny team. I know I can depend on my new pen friend. We are incredible. I am incredible. Ben is incredible. And I am
Not me! No! Not nice notes, I
beg your pardon, N.
No more singing.
How insulting! Don't you know who I am? I am the most important letter.
No, you're not.
I am. I'm the most intelligent, the most interesting,
No way.
the most incredible.
Never.
N, you're impossible. I shall prove it.
Not likely. S.
S.
Sit.
Incredible.
Not really.
It's important, N.
practicing?
I'm doing a difficult drum solo. Not disturbing you, am I?
It's not very loud. Perhaps if you hit something, it would be louder.
Definitely. Duck for cover! D's on drums! Disappointing. Don't despair. D will delight you with a dazzling display of daring drumming. Doubly disappointing. What's the trouble? don't have any drums. Deflated.
We'll soon sort that out.
St.
Ah. S.
Ah.
Sat. I've sat down. Now I just need some drums. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes!
I want to.